So good. I love how colorful this is. It's so pretty. Okay, Mr. Birdie right here. You guys hear this bird? He's like going off right now.
I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming. I'll be dreaming.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tania, and in this video I will be sharing with you guys some yummy treats as well as a yummy phone theme. I want to share with you guys this super cute shop that has lots of yummy treats. This is the shop right here. I will link it down below. Super cute, super yummy. This is like a super cute little carrot. I have this one that looks like little Easter eggs. How cute are these? One of the ones that I'm super excited for, it's like a strawberry shortcake one, and oh my god. She also makes these super unique treats. These are like chocolate chip cheesecake bars, and these are like churro cheesecake bars. And look at how delicious they look. Thank you again, Felisa, for making these yummy, delicious treats that I will definitely be sharing for Easter with my family and friends. And now let me share with you guys a super delicious, yummy phone theme. Yes, I have a free phone theme all on treats, and it's free, so you guys won't have to pay, as well as I found a really cute wallpaper. So just in case you're watching and you don't have an Android and you have like an iPhone, this wallpaper will also be cute for your iPhone, so definitely check them out. If you guys need the wallpaper, make sure to DM me on Instagram or on Snapchat. So I hope you guys enjoy this phone theme and check out the shop for these cute yummy desserts, and let's just get this video started. This is the theme that we will be applying. It's called Cute Donuts, and that is the creator. Here's a little preview right here, and now we're going to download and apply. So here is the donut theme. Oh my goodness, I wish I didn't have these kawaii cons. These are actually, people ask me all the time, these are actually part of my phone. I haven't refreshed my phone. So pretty much this has not been cleared. If I do restart and refresh my phone like new, then I will no longer have these kawaii cons, because they are part of Zedge, which Zedge does no longer carry icons. So pretty much I'm just not touching them. They're just stuck like that right now because I'd rather have these than just like regular icons. So pretty much if you didn't have these, they will be donuts. I love that. Look at this. We have like a chocolate and sprinkles donut, a glazed strawberry, white. I love these. These are so adorable and cute. And then my folders look like this, and I can't believe this theme is free. So down here, this is how it looks like. It's just a plaid pink and white backdrop, and then that's my phone, contacts, and messages. Let's check it out. So my phone looks like this. Ooh! So we got this pretty background. It's just pink and girly, and then we got the donuts right there. Yes. As for our messaging, it's just like a pink pastel color, and then like this periwinkle color, same pattern background, and then we got little donuts for the icon images. And then for our keyboard, oh my goodness, I love this. So it's just like a super cute touch. It's very girly, hot pink, and orangey colors, so I think that's adorable. I think that fits perfectly well with this theme. I'm not gonna lie, the calendar is pretty cute. So it's simple pink and white, and then we have a little surprise down here. Back to our favorite donuts that are probably gonna make me hungry when I have this theme on all the time. This is how our alarms look like. So we got that little cute donut down there, and then just like pink and girly pattern. As for the lock screen, I'm not sure about this one. I don't know how it goes with this. It's just like a random present box. So we're about to change it and glam this whole theme up with our own little touch. So this will be my new lock screen. It's just perfect, I feel like, for this theme. It's just like chocolate frosting with sprinkles, and it's like a light pink color. So I will be applying this as my new lock screen. Yay! It's gonna fit perfectly with this theme. Look, we got our donuts down here, and then we have the pinky backdrop with this chocolate and sprinkles right at the top. Yum. And of course, we need to spice up our home screen. So this is the Doorbell home screen that I found. It just has pretty much a bunch of cute little guys eating treats. So they're all eating their own little treats. So look at them. They're just such cute characters, and I feel like this will make me so happy looking at it. So I love cute little pastel colors, and I love all the little treats and hearts and stars, macarons, cupcakes, and just a lot of adorable characters. Preview of the home screen. I know it's looking a little busy, but I think it's just gonna make me really happy and really cute. So here it is. So we're just full of treats and goodness. So that is the pretty home screen for my phone, and once again, this is the lock screen. So I think it's just full of little good treats. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like this phone and got inspiration and ideas to make your phone really cute and happy. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!